Hey, what's up guys, Inside Tech, and today we're going to be looking at the HRX 217 mower by Honda. And this is basically the top of the line minus the electric start, which is totally worthless. And I'm going to do a cold start here. I've had this about a week and runs great. As you can see, it's not hot at all. It's cold. And what we're going to do is put this handle here into high speed and just pull on the lever. You can also idle this down into low and it runs perfect right off the bat. As you can see, got your blade control. You push the yellow handle and you supposed to have it on high. Push it down, kick it forward, kicks on the blade, clutch for your tranny. At any speed, this takes off at any speed, right on the money. There's no lagging like some of the others. You can also engage the drive. I got it on a low speed. But see, there is no waiting when you push this and it goes. Unlike the other one with the thumb drive. Anyway, it's a small tutorial on the HRX 217.